Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sadeem Rashid and welcome back to the Food Street. Today I'm gonna show you how to make perfect spicy garlic prawn. The recipe is very amazing. It would take less than 5 minutes to make these amazing prawn, and it's very simple, it's very easy, yet it's packed full of flavors. It's incredible and it's super easy. So let me show you how to get it done and let's get it started. So before we get started, let me show you what exactly we got here. I have about 10 to 12 prawns, big size prawns. You can use any prawn. You can use king prawn, you can use tiger prawn, whatever prawn that you got, you can use it. I have one lemon, a small chunk of butter that we would need in the end, small chopped onion, red onion, which is I'm going to use, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, which I have sliced very thinly, 6 to 7 red chilies, which is what I'm going to use because it's going to give the whole thing a better color. So, and it's spicy as well, so that would be perfect. And a bunch of parsley. So let me show you how to chop the chili. So the way I would chop it slanted, so just like that, in this direction. And if you don't like it spicy, right, you can remove all the seeds. So this is the way I would do it. It will look colorful, it will look amazing. So our chilies are now done. What I would do is take a bunch of parsley. Just a small bunch would do. We don't need the rest. And take off some leaf. So all you gotta do, scoop them up like that and fine chop them. And this is it. So we are ready. So give me a minute or two, I'll set it up and I'll show you how to cook the perfect spicy prawn. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's get it started. So first off, before we add any oil or anything at all to the pan, make sure your pan is piping hot. And I'm gonna add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of olive oil. So just give it a minute or minute and a half for the oil to get hot. Next up, I'm gonna add a butter. अगर मैं directly इसमें butter डालता तो butter जो है वो burn हो जाता, लेकिन oil जो है इसके temperature को smooth करेगा. तो butter जो है इसका वो burn नहीं होगा. So let the butter melt. And at the same time, now I'm gonna add everything in. So garlic goes in. Our onion goes in. Now the red chili, that's gonna go in. So look at it, how rich and colorful it is. And don't worry about the garlic, क्योंकि garlic जो है उसको अच्छी smell देगा, अच्छा taste देगा. They would be amazing. And now we would add our prawn in. और ये enough prawn है to serve it as a starter or to serve it as a main course for 2 to 3 people as well. और इन प्रॉन्स का ये है कि you can tell easily क्योंकि जैसे ये पकना शुरू होते हैं you can see their color. तो इसका कलर जो है वो ब्राइट होना शुरू हो जाएगा. And they don't take too long to cook, right? Just a minute or two on each side and they'll be done. So one sides are done as you can see because of its color. So I'm just gonna flip it. Make sure you don't overcook it वरना ये rubbery हो जाएंगे. So don't overcook it. So it usually takes about a minute or two to cook. No more than that. So next up, I'll throw a bunch of parsley on the top. So listen to the cracking sound. Look how amazing it looks. So our prawns are done. So let me do the plating and then we can give it a taste. So finally our amazing spicy garlic shrimps are ready. They looks very amazing. They looks very appetizing. So what can I say? I can't wait to give it a try. So what I'm gonna do is squeeze a bit of lemon up top. Again, not too much, just to I don't want to overpower the lemon taste, so just a bit. And let's give them a try. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's try our shrimp. I'm gonna try with the bit of chili as well, if I can grab it. So let's try Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yummy, amazing, absolutely delicious. For sure that's something I would serve it as an appetizer whenever I have a party or get together in my house, for sure. So I hope you guys will like it. And that's something you would try for your family and friends, and I'll see you inshallah next time.